friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be an all new 2021 Suzuki Hayabusa. So let's check the video what are the changes has been done with the vehicle. So before going to start the video, please subscribe to MotorBeast channel and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram, link in the description. So friends, this is a 2021 Suzuki Hayabusa. So let's check the video what are the overall changes has been done with the vehicle and what are the specification as newly added to this vehicle. So I am eagerly waiting for this video and hopefully you can enjoy the video by watching this video, and I'm going to give a genuine review. So let's start the video. So friends, here you can see the firstly this bike has been got a name, good name, that from the movies like Biker's Boy and Boom movies. So firstly this bike has been used in that movies, and especially the good name as for Hayabusa came with that movies, and the first launch of this bike in 1998. This is very much impressive. It has been done almost 23 years as first generation of Hayabusa has been launched, and today I am going to showing the all new 2021 third generation has been going to be launched Suzuki Hayabusa. We seen only two generations till now. That's so great. And now after 23 years now, Hayabusa is launching the third generation with the new color treatments, and also with some of the specification has been added to this bike. So before going to start the video, once again subscribe to MotorBeast channel and press up so that you may get this new upcoming bikes in our channel, and also please subscribe to Biker's Boys Telugu for Telugu videos. So coming to the bike, same shapes and same design has been continued on this generation also. Some of the major changes like color treatments has been added, some edges has been sharpened, finishing has been done on this generation in this third generation. So coming to the firstly front part, here you can see all the LEDs and also with the DRLs has been added on this generation in third generation, got from the Gixxer 1000. So this technology and this treatment has been taken from the Gixxer bike, Suzuki Gixxer from the 1000 at the front part. Coming to the side framing, total 3 colors and offer, and coming to the color treatments, glass sparkle black and candy bought red. Coming to the other color, metallic bottom servot silver with a candy dreaming red, and also third color comes with a pale brilliant white and also with a metallic metro steel blue. So color treatments are very awesome, and also names are very different also. So coming to the back side, splitted tail lights has been provided on this. Before it was used with the LEDs with a single pack of the tail light system. Now it has been splitted on this generation, so that easily you can recognize the bike designs on this third generation. Coming to the larger before, new mufflers and exhaust design has been now changes. Now sharp design and also with the flat designs has been ordered with the silver treatment of this new exhaust, and exhaust sound is also going to be changed. So I'm not showing the exhaust sound now before because the Suzuki has been not launched the exhaust sound exactly from now. So soonly I'm going to upload that. And coming to other side, now sharpened then older design has been done on this generation. Coming to the instrument cluster of the other side, new intro looking cluster has been designed of this generation with the analog tacho, analog speedometer with the fuel gauge has been done with a round new bolt design has been done with the center console of this instrument cluster with a lot of digital meter has been provided, lot of indications and lot of information on this digital meter. So no supercharged, no turbocharged in this new generation. So very much disappointing for me that, and it's the same output of 1340cc engine, 1340cc engine, inclined 4-cylinder natural aspirated engine has been produced on this generation also. Very much disappointing me. And also the one of the best feature has been added to this generation is Euro 5 has been added, and also with the BS6 compliant new generation on this Suzuki Hayabusa has been done. And coming to the other side, major difference and major disappointing fans of Hayabusa is that the speed limit and also with the pickup, 190 PS of power at 9750 RPM has been produced with the 7 PS of power now reduced in this generation, and also 150 Nm of torque at 7000 RPM, and also 5 Nm of torque has been reduced, but the the Suzuki is going to say that the pickup and also with the power has been increased now in this generation, also reducing the newton of torque and also with the power. So let's check that when the test drive has been provided with the Suzuki. So coming to other side, it's the same output of 1340cc engine, and power and torque has also actually gone down with the 5 and 7 PS of power has been reduced now on this generation, I have said already. But best legendary engines from the Suzuki is the best Hayabusa engine, as well also the design and also with the engine and also with the power is very much better than, far better than other CC bikes on this track. And coming to the, they said that they have empowered a low to mid range and speed no better. And coming to other side, and also they said that now improved a lot of low to mid range of pickup is now improved very much, and also with a speed is now better. So let's check then when the test drive vehicle has been added to our channel. And coming to other side, coming to the modern electronics, you get same like old Dispute 3 riding modes on offer, A, B, C on this instrument cluster, the small round console of instrument cluster. Coming to other side, now best feature is added to that 1011 lean sensitive traction controls has been added on this vehicle. 2-level quick shifter gear shifter has been added on this vehicle. 10-level velo control has been also added to this vehicle. 3-level engine braking controls has been also added to this vehicle. Another best feature is a 3-launch control system has been added to this vehicle. So coming to others, the major changes is these 5 changes. So as per my opinion, there is far better. These 5 changes has been much improved by in this generation, in this third generation of Suzuki Hayabusa in 2021. Older generations, first generation and second generation, previous Hayabusa has never had these 5 levels of advanced technology has been used on this third generation in 2021. So I am very much impressed of that. And coming to also active speed limiter is also has been added to this generation. So price is also slightly better than far as second generation. Coming to handlebars are pulled into the inner side to improve the handling of new Hayabusa of tech, and also with the handling system is also now changed in the handlebars. So same old suspension has been added to this new Busa. So because of suspension is older generation has been used like old school designs and old school technology has been added to this new generation of third generation of Hayabusa. Finally, brakes. Now Busa gets Brembo brakes, 320mm of dual disc as the front. Now brake system is far better compared to second generation. Third generation braking system is much better. Because of this heavy bike, brakes should be definitely good. Coming to weight, overall the finally weight of the vehicle 264 kgs. Now 2 kgs has been less compared to second generation to this all new third generation Suzuki Hayabusa. So overall I am eagerly waiting for this all new 2021 Hayabusa with its new color treatments and new changes on this vehicle. So soonly I am going to upload the walk around video whenever the launching of official launch of this Suzuki Hayabusa. So please don't miss the watching of the new Hayabusa walk around video. So please subscribe to MotorBeast channel, please support us and press the bell icon. Follow me on Instagram guys, link in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.